What am I going to have for dinner? What's in the fridge? There are cucumbers, natto, meat, and sashimi. There are various scents. So I want to eat temaki-sushi so bad. Well, I grow up to buy the other things I need. Let's go! These are the ingredients of our temaki-sushi today. So, sashimi, natto, kimchi, meat, cucumbers, and sausage. We also need vinegar, rice, seaweed, cold nori, wasabi, and soy sauce. Let's start making it. Temaki-sushi is a kind of do-it-yourself hand-rolled sushi. We spread vinegar rice on a square piece of seaweed. And then we add in ingredients that we like, especially wasabi.
How was it?
Yes, good. I like it. So I like sausage and kimchi, meat, pork. Eat up. We don't eat temaki-sushi at the sushi shop. It's a kind of sushi that we eat at the home party, like this one. It's a lot of fun. Why don't you try having a home party with temaki-sushi? It's a real part of Japanese culture.